Today you will learn how to install Vulcan in your home. The Vulcan home unit comes in a complete box. It includes the main electronic block, which is cast in acrylic, the Vulcan impulse bands made of copper, one electronic switching adapter, and several cable clips. The Vulcan brochure explains the technology and has details for the installation in the back. Vulcan is typically installed at the main water inlet to your house. That is very often where you also find the water meter. When putting Vulcan on the main entry point, we ensure that all the water is treated there, and then afterwards the water is going into all pipes and machinery in the house. Installing your Vulcan is very easy and takes about 10 minutes. You do not need any tools. When you have a lot of free space on your pipe, the most common way is to put the electronic block in the middle first, and then the impulse bands are placed on the right and the left of the block. If you have limited amount of space on the pipe only, then you can also install the electronic block on the impulse bands. Please ensure that there is a minimum of 1 cm space between the first pair of impulse bands. You can place Vulcan also over a band or intersection as shown here. The electric impulse field emits not only where the bands are, but also to the right and left of it. Due to this, the impulse bands can be placed on pipe parts over cross sections, for example. You will now see a step-by-step installation of Vulcan. We start with the electronic block. It is V-shaped at the bottom, so it sits nicely on a round pipe. Please place the electronic block on the pipe and fix it with a cable clip. Do this on both sides of the unit. Please keep in mind, the riffled part of the clips will be on the inside of the loop. Then we attach the impulse bands. Start by plugging the red plug into the block. After that, fix the first loop of band with a cable clip and wind the entire band around the pipe. It is best for the band to have a little bit of a sideway angle, and please ensure that the band sits close and tight on the pipe. At the end, simply fix a black end piece with another cable clip. Proceed on both sides. We can now add the power supply. Take the electronic adapter and plug the connector into the silver inlet of the Vulcan. After that, attach the plug to the wall socket. When the power is connected, several lights will illuminate. The green light shows that there is power supply. The red flashing lights confirm that the impulses are going out correctly. They flash and blink at different intervals. This is to show that your Vulcan is running different frequencies for the best treatment of your water. The Vulcan block is made of acrylic. Please clean it only with water and a cloth. Do not use detergents such as Windex or glass cleaners.